Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 8th, 2020. Thank you all for coming to our particular channel. We're going to give you all the update today for Cardano, give you all the expectation as to where we expect the trap to take the price. And that's all we're worried about here on this particular channel. We just simply focus in on the price and what the trap is anticipated to do with it. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, before you go, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We are here to give you all a price prediction without being confused. As you all can see, our chart is not confusing and our speech is not confusing as well. We want to make it easy for y'all to understand and just get a heads up as to where the market's anticipated to go. Now, also, if our content is pleasing to you, you guys appreciate our content, we do have a couple of perks that I want to plug each and every one of you in on. The first one is our apprentice perk. You guys can see that you'll have loyalty badges next to your name whenever you comment or make a comment during our live chat. And also, we created some custom emojis for each and every one of our members. We want you all to start calling the markets right alongside with us so that we can all start predicting the market and try to get in position for these cryptocurrencies. You guys can see that there. These are called our market call badges and emojis. Like I said earlier, we want you all to participate with our content. We want to engage with you more and further, so we want you to start calling the markets. Now, when we go live stream, this is the lookout. So whenever we go live stream here on YouTube, we want you to join us. This is going to be an opportunity for us to converse, to talk, to ask questions of one another, just to get a better understanding of language analysis and see where the market's anticipated to go for a plethora of charts. Whatever charts you all want to look at, this is the opportunity during the lookout live stream sessions that we can all look at a plethora of charts. It could be cryptocurrencies, it could be stocks, whatever the case may be. If it's listed on TradingView, we'll look at it. Okay, so we will do that starting tomorrow. We'll send out a community post sometime today for those artisan members to get an idea of what charts you all want to talk about and what charts you all want to look at. So we're going to be sending that out today only to our artisan members. So we go live stream tomorrow, we can all see and talk about those charts that you all are interested in. Okay, so now here we are. Cardano's been 3 days. You guys can see the last time we did our video for Cardano was on January the 5th, which is right here, and we played the strength into the market for Cardano. You guys can see that the trap exceeded that expectation, but nevertheless, congratulations to those who anticipated the trap to increase the value of Cardano. You guys at least could have profited about 9.5%, 9.66% at the high. Look at that. In 2 days, 50.25% profitability into the market. Fantastic. Now, right now, the market is trading around 30 cents. So you still be up around 26.5%. So that is still very positive to see that play out in the market for those Cardano holders and the ones who took the profit out. So let's go ahead and take that away and let's revamp the chart. Let's look at the market now. So now I got two lines on this price chart, and you all can see that the overall trend into Cardano has definitely broke away. Now, I mentioned on our last video on January the 5th that this trend that the market in Cardano was going through cannot be sustained, right? We talked about that. And look how the market in Cardano just literally shot up not soon after we completed our video. That is substantial, right? So what I'm going to do, just to make sure our charts stay clean, we're going to get rid of this overall trend into the market in Cardano because the market is not even trading around it. This is the current trend that we're seeing Cardano going through right now. So our main focus is going to be on the intermediate term in regards to where Cardano is likely to go over the next 3 days. Okay, so let's take a look at this market in Cardano on a 3-day time frame real quick. You all can see that last completed 3-hour price bar, 3-day price chart, you guys can see right here that this volume definitely came through. We haven't seen this much volume in Cardano in forever. Like, since Cardano has been traded here on Binance, we haven't seen this much volume at all. It took this much volume in Cardano just for us to come right back up here towards 34 cents. That was a lot of energy. That's a lot of effort it took the trap to increase this value in Cardano back up towards 35 cents. We cannot forget that. Now, what occurred on Binance? You guys can see that Cardano literally almost made all-time highs. The highest that came into Cardano was back during May the 1st, 2018, where the market topped out around 39 cents. Now, can we do that? Is the trap still looking forward to the market and Cardano to continue to go high in price? We have to wait and find out. But definitely on that last completed 3-day price bar right here, definitely lets us know some things. It lets us know that he's definitely itching to try to hit that all-time high price in Cardano. Now, real quick, 5-day time frame. There's something different here. What is going on this current Friday price bar? Now we have 2 days and 7 hours left in the market in Cardano before this current 5-day price bar ends. We are seeing almost, I would say around the conclusion of this current 5-day price bar, we would see about the same amount of volume on the last one. But where is the market closing at right now? Right, we're closing off of the highs of this bar. So there's definitely more profit taking going on into the market in Cardano. I mean, think about it. Those individuals who purchased Cardano when it was traded around 36 cents back here in 2018, you think they didn't sell up here again? Like, they're just happy just to break even into the market in Cardano. So that's why we're seeing this market in Cardano closing off of the highs right now. It's because people are taking profits, rightfully so. I mean, the market in Cardano hasn't been up here since 2018. Here we are, 2021, and this market finally came up here to these prices. So at what point do you take profit? So now let's look at the market real quick on a weekly time frame in Cardano. You all can see the very high spread into the market in Cardano. Definitely lets us know that the overall strength in the cryptocurrency space as a whole is monumental. This is definitely placing a lot of eyes in the cryptocurrency space, especially those who wasn't interested in cryptocurrencies from the very beginning. So let's take a look at the market in Cardano on the 11-hour time frame, and you all can see here that we're looking for the market in Cardano to really hold consolidational trading and maybe make another dip lower in price. I don't see that euphoric, that positive movement into the market in Cardano just yet. But we do see here in the market for Cardano, let me show you that the trap likes this area right here for support. Okay, right there around 29 cents for Cardano. And if not that, it's going to be right here around this particular area around 28. Okay, so now on the hourly time frame, are you seeing more strength or weakness on the price chart? That is something that we'll need to address in the market for Cardano. Now, as I'm looking at these hourly charts, this is where the market really wants to hold support. This is where the trap is telling us he wants to hold support. Okay, so we're going to hold it here around 27.5 cents into the market for Cardano. So now on the daily time frame, you guys can see here that we're seeing a lot of volatility. I mean, the market went higher, it went lower, and now we're closing right back to where we started today. So what are you expecting? For us, we're going to continue to play the weakness in the market for Cardano. This is only a three-day price prediction for the market in Cardano. Okay, we're not saying that the market's going to completely crash. We're not saying that the market's going to go to $5. We're just simply playing this on a 3-day time frame expectation as to where we're looking for the trap to take the value of Cardano. So let's do this real quick. So we're going to look for this market really to try to hold support around 29 cents. If not that, it's going to be around 28. All right, so let's do this real quick. So we would TP the market in Cardano around 29 cents. which is on about 3% profitability into the market for that. But we're going to lower, taking it lower down to that support area around 27.5, which will garner about 8% movement to the downside for where the market in Cardano currently is being traded at. Okay, now this is our expectations of the trap. We're trying to get in position and look forward to where he's going so that we can profit. What are you seeing? You might be seeing something totally different. If so, let us know with a comment. And for all of our members, use those custom emojis and call the market with us. Do you see the market as being strong or weak? And what is your expectations? Let everyone know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.